Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. The last class we saw about the type of season. There are four types of season. The first one summer season, and second one monsoon season, and third one winter season, and the next one autumn and spring season. The summer season, the last class we saw about summer season. So in the season we feel only hot climate. So the summer season only we can feel more hot temperature, and at the time we wear cotton dresses, and without umbrella we can't go outside, and during the summer time we should wear the sunglasses, and we should drink more water. So these are the things we should follow during the summer season, and it starts from the middle of March and to end the month of June. So when it starts, can you guess it? So இது எப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா வந்து it starts from the middle of March and it ends the month of June. The 2 months are called the very hottest month of year. And what are the 2 months? The month of May and the month of June. So these 2 months are called the very hottest month of a year. And during the summer season we can feel it. The morning time, the daytime, it's very longer time, and the night time it's very shorter time. So on the summer time, our school vacations, our holidays also started. So at the time we can visit so many tourist places and hill stations. So I hope you all learn this summer season topic, and today class I am going to explain about the monsoon season. So the monsoon seasons means, it's a wind season, and another the rainy season. So another name of monsoon, it's called it's a rainy season also. So during the monsoon season the air started increases, and it is this season also called rainy seasons, and it starts from the month of June and it continues until end of September. So it continues and it ends the month of September. So இது எப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா it starts from the month of June and it ends the month of September. And during the monsoon season, so many areas receives more rainfall, because the monsoon season it's called the rainy season. So in the season so many places receive more rainfall, and especially the Rajasthan and Gujarat receives a little rainfall, because the two places has more temperature. So that the two places only receives a little rainfall. And coastal areas means what is coastal areas? So the sea areas are called coastal areas. So that the places receives a heavy rainfall. So which places receive more rainfall? The coastal areas. Coastal areas means the sea places, nearby sea places. So many states and so many villages are located. So that places get more rainfall, and especially the Rajasthan and Gujarat only receives a little rainfall. And due to the monsoon also causes, so the monsoon நம்மளுக்கு என்னென்னலாம் கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னா வந்து we get more rain. At the time the monsoon it's causes of flood அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா வந்து வெள்ளம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ நிறைய வந்து ரெயின் வாட்டர் வர என்ன ஆரம்பிக்கும் அப்படின்னா வந்து, ஸோ ரிவர்ஸ் அண்ட் டேம்ஸ்லாம் வந்து வாட்டர் வந்து ஃபுல்லாகும் இல்லையா. ஸோ அப்போ வந்து ஃப்ளட், இட் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த மெயின் காசஸ் ஆஃப் ஃப்ளட். அண்ட் த ஹில் ஸ்டேஷன் அண்ட் த மவுண்டன் பிளேசஸ் we can see the landslide. So landslide அப்படின்னா வந்து, ஸோ மண் வந்து என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா வந்து, ஸோ மேலேருந்து கீழே வந்து சரிய ஆரம்பிக்கும். ஸோ இதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா வந்து லேண்ட் slider. So the monsoon, the rainy period also causes of flood. The first causes it's called a flood. The flood அப்படினா வந்து வெள்ளம், and the second cause it's called a landslide. So we can see the landslide in the hill stations, and the monsoon plays a major role in agriculture because rain only gives the water. So water is very important to agriculture. So with the help of agriculture only, the farmer produce food for us. So without food we can't live. So which is important for agriculture? The water is very important. So which one is gives rains? Which one is give rain? So which one is gives water? The rain only gives water. So the water is very important to agriculture. So next one, the region of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka and Kerala. So these three states receive rainfall from the month of November and January. So what are the states receives rainfall from month of November and January? First state Tamil Nadu, and second Karnataka and Kerala. So these three states receive rainfall from the month of November and January. So what is our state? So our state it's called Tamil Nadu. So what season is going on? So in our Tamil Nadu, so rainy season it starts, isn't it? So I hope you all understand. Again I am repeating. So the coastal areas receives heavy rainfall, and especially two places receives little rainfall. First one Rajasthan and second one Gujarat. So these two places receives little rainfall, and the rain causes of flood. Heavy rainfall also causes a flood, and another one is called landslide, and the water is very important to agriculture. So which one is gives water? So the rain only the main source of water. So the water is very important to agriculture in India. And the next one, the region of the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka and Kerala. So these two places receives rainfall from the month of November and the month of January. So which month is going on now? So November month is going on. So in our states also receives a rainfall nowadays. So dear students, so learn this topic today. Thank you.